Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSix Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to go and show you how to download games and add-ons on your PlayStation 5. So let's go ahead and jump into the video right now. So you finally got your PlayStation 5 and you're ready to download games. Now there is some free games on the PlayStation 5 as well as paid games you can buy through the PlayStation Store right here. Now, if we select the PlayStation Store and go through here, at the top, we have deals, collections, subscriptions, and browse. Now, under subscriptions, if you are a PlayStation Plus member, you get 3 free games each month. So if I go to this, and I can select free monthly games right here, for January 2022, we have Dirt 5, Deep Rock Galactic, and Persona 5. Now, all we have to do is select this game and then download it and add it to our library. So I already have Dirt 5 downloaded. Let's select a game I don't have downloaded, like Persona 5. So I'm going to select this and download it. So this will now download. And to see the progress of a downloaded game, press the PlayStation button, open up the quick menu, and then go to Downloads, and you can see it right here. Then you can go to Download/Copy. So I'm already downloading Call of Duty Modern Warfare. Up next is Persona 5 Strikers. So once that's completed, I should see it on the home screen and I should be able to play. Now, there's also the PlayStation Collection right here, exclusive to PlayStation Plus on PS5. So if I select this, I have 20 free games just from being a PlayStation Plus subscriber I can download. So like Crash Bandicoot, which is owned by Microsoft now, Fallout 4, Battlefield 1, etc. All you have to do is select one of these games and download it. So let's go ahead and download Final Fantasy Royal Edition and then go to download. Now, originally it's $35. So let's go to download right now and select the items or the add-ons you want to go ahead and download with it and then go to install. Perfect. So that is now installing and downloading on my PlayStation 5. So that's the PlayStation Plus Games a Month and PS Collection. Now, if I go back to the PlayStation Store, I can scroll through here. Now, often there will be deals, like it says Mortal Kombat, save up to 80%. So if I select this, I could buy Mortal Kombat for like $10 right now, and the original price is $50. So it's fun to just go through here and just see the new deals that they have like each week or month, etc. And you can scroll through here. And at the bottom, you have PlayStation 5 games, PS4 games, free to play, and VR games. So let's go and go to free to play games. And then on the left, we have sort by. I typically just sort by default, best selling, most downloaded, etc. So you can go ahead and just customize that the way you want. But the most popular ones are Fortnite, Apex Legends, Rocket League, Destiny 2, and Brawlhalla, which is very fun. So these are all the different free-to-play games you can go ahead and download on your PlayStation right away. Then if we back out of here, and then go all the way over to our game library and select this, we can see the installed games on our PlayStation 5. If we go up to the top, we can go to your collection, and these are all the games you have on your PlayStation profile, and the ones that aren't on your PlayStation 5 will show up here as well. So let's say I go to Black Ops 4 right here. This game is on my profile, but it's not currently installed. I can reinstall it onto my PlayStation 5 very easily. All I have to do is select X on it, and then choose the edition, and then go to play game or download. Looks like I already have it downloaded on my PlayStation 5. So let's go ahead and just choose a game and view the add-ons for the game. So here's Call of Duty Vanguard. If I press options on it and then go to manage game content, I can delete the campaign or reinstall the campaign right here. Let's choose another game. So Modern Warfare. If I go to game content right here, I can re-download the campaign pack for Black Ops 4. I can re-download the multiplayer under here. Then I see some stuff for Vanguard like the campaign 1 and 2. If I go over to Fortnite, their options will be a bunch of different language packs under here. So if I want to go ahead and download the French version, etc., I can do that. So let's go to game library and go over to Call of Duty Black Ops 4 and select it. And then go to manage game content. There should be more options under here as well. It looks like they have this linked to the rest of the Call of Duty games for some reason. So if there are different add-ons for the game you want to go ahead and re-download, that is how you would access the different menu. Now there might be more game add-ons that you can download for the specific game. If you select it and then scroll on down past live broadcasts, you can see add-ons right here. So for Call of Duty Modern Warfare, we have a bunch of different like Warzone points we can go and download. Here's a Call of Duty endowment pack we can download, and we can view all the add-ons for this game. So a bunch of starter packs, etc. So if you're playing like, I don't know, maybe a Horizon Zero Dawn or something like that, you can view the add-ons for the game. So let's go to that right now. Here's Horizon Zero Dawn. See if there's any add-ons for this game. Then we can scroll on down past live broadcast, and it looks like we have Horizon Zero Dawn, the Frozen Wilds for $10 we can download, and then we have the Spanish language pack for it as well. So you can manage game content, or you can view all the add-ons for the game. You can also do this for the games in the store, I believe, as well, not just the ones you've downloaded. So your downloaded games will now appear on the home screen. So here's Final Fantasy and Persona 5 Strikers. Now, another way to access the PlayStation Plus games is sometimes you'll have this icon on the home screen after you go to it. And you should be able to view them under here as well. Otherwise, you can go to your game library once again, and then go to PlayStation Plus. So here's your free games for the PlayStation Plus Game of the Month, and then your PS collection right here. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.